So here we go again. The next step is to put the railing together. See that? That is the railing. Put it all together. And what I have here is all the necessary hardware, screws and bolts, even the manual spread out on the floor so that I could assemble it one by one. You can see the railing is in position, so that is the point where you hook up at the header of the garage. The header of the garage is on top of there, and this end railing will be connected to this drive unit motor. You see there is a screw, two screw. This small piece of rail will be attached here, and it will be screwed together. And what will I do is I will insert this big railing to this one and assemble, connect all together the drive motor and this long piece of railing. So that's the next step.